Do you remember the Rosie the Riveter campaign, and did it have any effect on you?
Hiring women down in the shipyards to go to work, you know. Let's go. And so she did. She quit her secretarial job and she went down to the Fall River shipyard. And of course they hired her, and she had to go a few months training to learn how to weld, and she became a spot welder till the end of the war.
And don't remember hearing anything on the radio or with like the poster that you have on your shirt, like the picture you have on your shirt? Is that not a poster that was up for
I had
people to
no
see?
knowledge of it whatsoever.
Was it unusual for women to work at that time?
Very unusual. During the Depression, it was very hard to have a job anyway, but most of the jobs were taken by men. The women all stayed home. That's why we say this is the forerunner of the women's movement, which we don't call it that, but it actually was, because women didn't leave the home yet at that time to go to work.
Do you remember what happened when the men returned from war? Like, were women still working? Or did
Yes. When the men returned, that's all they were working for. They wanted their boyfriends or their husbands to come back, and they got married, or they were married and they all started having kids. You heard of the baby boomer years.
How were women treated during that time?
They were treated, well, at first the men were skeptical when the women went to the shipyard. They said, they can't do our job, you know, but the women showed. We can do it. That's our motto. We can do it. They had all kinds of jobs, besides the welders. There's riveters and other things. I don't know what else down the shipyard. I think the Rosie the Riveter women working during the war created the women's movement. They went out to work and left the home to go out to work, and they found that they could manage. Women were intelligent, they could handle their home and work at the same time. You had to cover all your hair, so this kind of goes around, comes around, gather all your hair, and you get it all under there. So Common was full of people. We were in front of the Park Street Church, and the sailors were all in Boston at that time. There was a whole lot of Navy ships in Boston, and they were all celebrating. And they asked my mother, "Can I kiss you? Because my mother's not here. Can I kiss you?" They were just so happy. The war was over, and the bells were ringing. And, it was great.